Welcome back to another Pine hosting tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to change your Rust server settings using the Pine Hosting Easy Config tab. Of course, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Pine Hosting game panel. And then once you're there, you're going to need to find the Easy Config tab. So this is the Easy Config tab, and it was designed with one thing and one thing only in mind, to make it easier for you to customize your server. Rust has about 100 different server convars, and this page right here just gathers the few most important ones that you will need to customize your server. There is of course some very basic settings like setting your server's name, your server's description, and the header image. And then of course you have more server-centered settings like censoring your player's list on battle metrics, configuring how many sleeping bags you want the player to have, or what is the max team size on your server. Then at the bottom here you also have server tags options. Under game mode, of course, you can click on the dropdown and select from any option available. And of course you can do the same thing for wipe schedule, server region, and server type. You also have the option to enable Premium or PvE on your server. Continuing with some more gameplay specific settings, you can disable NPCs from reacting or moving, and then you can also customize how deep sea works on your server. Like for example, you can disable fog of war, or you can disable being building blocked when going on those islands in the deep sea. Another very important setting for your server is the decay upkeep period. This will basically modify how upkeep works on your server. By clicking this drop down menu here, you have a bunch of preset options to choose from, so you don't have to do the math when it comes to setting the right one for your server. And finally here you have some more gameplay specific settings like turret interference, crate hack time, and more deep sea settings that allow you to fully customize your deep sea to your liking. Once you're done with those settings, go ahead and click the save button right here, and all your settings will be saved in your server config. Keep in mind that some of these settings may need a server restart to be applied, so it's best to just head over to console tab again and restart the server to ensure your changes have been applied. Another thing you can find in the easy config section is the quick actions. These are especially handy when wipe hits, so you can quickly wipe your world, wipe your blueprints, and wipe player data without having to look through server files. Just be aware that once you click one of these buttons, the action is immediate, meaning that if you click on wipe world, your world will be permanently deleted. So be extra aware that the actions are actually permanent when you click these buttons. And that's how easy it is to change the server settings on your Rust server with Pine Hosting. If you have any questions or require further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always happy to help.